Nearly 2 years after Apple launched its groundbreaking Vision Pro headset powered by the M2 chip, the tech giant has quietly refreshed the device and this time, better M5 chip. Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Social media whispers hint that Apple might be aiming the Vision Pro towards enterprise users, leaving everyday consumers scratching their heads over its true value. All this with the news that Apple is sidelining the Vision Pro and the sleek Vision Air to work on their anticipated smart glasses. It's easy to guess what's really going on behind the scenes. Maybe some unsold Vision Pros were gathering dust, so instead of a new leap, we get a subtle refresh, much like the almost invisible USB-C upgrade to the AirPods Max. But what exactly this M5 upgrade is bringing to the table? For starters, it makes the Vision Pro faster and more capable. Persona captures and spatial photo transformations are now 50% quicker and third-party apps run twice as fast. The display got a boost too, pushing 10% more pixels and better refresh rates from 100Hz to a smooth 120Hz. Battery life gets a modest bump to 3 hours, though the headset is a tad bit heavier. But thanks to dual knit band, it sits surprisingly comfy around your head. With a price tag of $3,499, the Vision Pro isn't meant for first-time buyers or even those hoping to upgrade. It offers an impressive experience, but it's still too expensive, too heavy, and not many developers or everyday users are fully on board yet. While Visionos 26 gives a glimpse of what AR could be, the future of this technology still feels a bit far away for now. So do you want to try this new VR headset? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.